Good morning, everybody. We are here in Martinique on the recording of this. This is Wednesday, January 21st, 2026. We're in Martinique today. It is a French island and very pretty. Attempted to film a sail-in, but the phone got overheated, and I lost all that. So anyways, maybe we get a sail away instead. But here we are in Martinique. The main port, I guess, is over there where the Virgin cruise ship is. Over there. But this is like a temporary port. This is a cruise terminal? Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, then we're here. But there's a bunch of buses for excursions today, I'm assuming. And there's some stuff here to look at. But I have no clue. We'll figure it out today. This is something new. This is the first sailing here at the Jewl of the Seas in Martinique. They have been going to Dominica, but we are here at Martinique. It is a French country, and they use the euro here. They do not use the American dollar, so we won't be able to use cash. We'll have to use a credit card. Use debit cards. That is international fees as well. But let's get into it today. Let's go have some breakfast first, and then it was very pretty coming around that corner up in the mountainside and all that. I hate that I lost all that, but it's my going luck this trip. So, all right, let's get into it. All right, on the ground here in Martinique. They said we got to walk, so. Let's go check it out. Got a little area for gifts right here. Martinique. Get some magnets. We'll check those out when we come back. Nice little port area, like normal. Ship. This barbed wire here. Almost get the.
Disaster.
This is a French country island. We all drive on the right. Well, it's separated, so I guess I don't know. Club Med. It's a sailboat, huge sailboat. It's in dry dock. Oh, nice. Look at this apartment here. Crazy. Library. Toilet. Christmas tree of books. House calls up. Pizza. Interesting. Gift shop here. Martinique. So they sell everything in euros here, not cash. Everything's in euros.
Et sa main redevint normale.
Une fois sortis, les pharisiens se réunirent en conseil, bien au milieu, et s'adressa aux hommes. Est-il permis le jour du sabbat de faire le bien ou de faire le mal, de sauver une vie ou de tuer? Mais eux se taisaient. Alors Jésus, promenant sur eux un regard,
McDonald's, French McDonald's. Everything's ordered by kiosk. And we're not at Disney, is there? Alright, got a baguette in a baguette shop. That's what I wanted to do. And it wasn't at Epcot. How was your chocolate pastry?
Croissant.
Croissant?
Really good, yeah.
Yeah. So, a French bakery and a French island. So, country. There we go. There's the ship that was in front of us on sail away. Sure. Yep. On the waterfront. Little ferry coming in. The Catholic Church was pretty cool too. They were actually having live mass in French. Yeah. Pigeons. This leather Solomon St. Thomas. Pick one up. And how he's blending himself into the grass and turning himself green. There's a whole bunch of them all over the place here. There's another one. Alright, back to the ship. We made it. The walk back wasn't as bad as the walk to. There she is. Do not enter. Bought a Christmas ornament and a magnet, as we always do in the islands, wherever we go. Alright, time to get back on the ship. Martinique, very interesting. We'll explore more next time. Alright, Martinique. Until next time. For dinner, it's Italian night, chicken parm, and some spaghetti. Going down.
Or the bridge tonight. Really? How much?
Down, down, down.
You don't think it'll hit the alarm?
Back from dinner, and we got a monkey. That's pretty cool. We're gonna see how long that stays. We're gonna leave it there. That's pretty cool. Once again, 5 o'clock meal time. You miss out on sail away, but there is Martinique. There in it. Pretty damn big island. So cool, cool. Let's see if I can zoom in. Is there a stadium going on right there? What is that? The airport? Can't get it to. That's pretty cool though. On the south side of Martinique, I'll be wrapping around between Martinique and St. Lucia. This little thing right here you see is a mountain. It's see it off of St. Lucia there. I'm assuming that's St. Lucia. Or is that part of Martinique? That might be still Martinique, and then St. Lucia's. Got a main band down here on the main floor. It goes all the way up. And it echoes pretty good too. But she's a pretty good singer. Yaha! Alright, y'all. It is the Love and Marriage show. No, CeeLo and Spain are not getting up on the stage.
We might.
Negative.
I'm gonna be the loudest person.
Negative. We are not doing it. Anyways, looking forward to that.
Oh my gosh, the boat is rocking.
Yeah, we're going down.
Worse than last
We're going
night.
down. And now we're going up.
As someone who gets vertigo, this is not good.
Now we're going down.
Oh my gosh.
And now we're going up.
This is terrible. I'm probably gonna throw up.
So we're having a good time. We've made some different plans. At the recording of this day, there is a major snowstorm going to be hitting Tennessee on Saturday when we're supposed to go home. So, not sure.
Travel Guru has
Trevor,
it
we got it figured out. We're going to go to Orlando and have some fun there. So, vacation doesn't end.
Maybe. We'll see.
But the cruise vacation ends on Saturday.
Maybe I'll find a 3-day or a 4-day.
Yeah, maybe we'll hop on another
We'll
cruise.
just go get it on another cruise. Because we can't get home.
Yeah, we can't get home, so. And I can work from anywhere.
I didn't bring my work laptop.
So, alright, y'all. Ready for this marriage show. It should be fun. And no, we're not getting ladies and gentlemen, that will do it for today. I'm somewhere in the southern Caribbean, headed southeast to Barbados. We're looking, St. Lucia is on the other side of us, as we are looking southeast. Barbados will be off to our left over here, I believe. I believe that's correct. But we'll be there in the morning. The schedule says 8:30, but I heard the captain say 10 a.m. But we'll see how that goes. But today in Martinique was fun. Got to get out on the streets, out in the see some couple cool new things at a library we saw, an old library. Lots of old books. French library as it is. And went to an old church, an old Catholic church that was holding mass while we were there, which was pretty cool. And then just walked around the streets and went to a French bakery. So that was one of the things I wanted to do while we were here in Martinique. I wanted to take a tour, but it was kind of hard to find a taxi or a tour guy, so just didn't do that either. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. I'm not sure how long it was. And also tonight we had a 70s party. We had dinner at the main dining. We had spaghetti with chicken parmesan. Ryan loving that. We've been looking forward to Italian night all week, so that's always good when we have that. So and then we had the 70s party tonight, which was fun, and also Love and Marriage show was fun too as well. So alright y'all, Barbados tomorrow. We're going swimming, so looking forward to that, and looking forward to getting in the water. Hopefully the weather will be kind to us, and looking forward to getting in the water. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment and hype the video. Appreciate appreciate everybody watching, and we will talk to you tomorrow from Barbados. Good night, everybody.